Know the difference between operating expenses versus assets, because if you are in business, please understand that every dime that you spend is not an immediate expense, so we need to talk about it. One thing about being in business is that you are going to incur expenses. So, internet, lights, rent expenses, payroll, paying subcontractors, these types of expenses are necessary and you get an immediate advantage or use out of it. Why? Because you got to have it in order to be able to operate in business. Now, when we're talking about assets helps for you to produce revenue, and a lot of times it has a higher cost level and you have to expense it over time. So say for instance, if you have a bakery or if you have a restaurant and you go into business and you buy these expensive refrigerators and freezers and ovens, and they're costing $3,000 or $5,000. Well, the thing is that you are going to get a certain amount of use out of it over the course of time. It will last you more than a month. It will last you more than 6 months. And so in that case, you book it as an asset and then you depreciate it over what's called the useful life of that particular purchase. Now, again, that is different from the internet. The internet, you can have it 1 month and not have it the very next month, right? And so these are, again, expenses that you have to have that can be here today, gone tomorrow. And a lot of times when it comes to operating expenses, the use of it is anything that you can get a use of under a year, that is an expense. A lot of times the safe harbor amount is around $2,500, and then you actually amortize or depreciate everything over that amount. So it's a lot of rules to that, but that is not the purpose of this video. It is for business owners to understand that every dime that they spend is not necessarily an immediate expense. If you need help with any of this, please feel free to give us a call here at 919-858-6807 or email us at info@faithbynum.com.